Just in this morning, Fidelity is filing a spot Bitcoin ETF, following all of the other institutional Bitcoin ETFs that have been filed. What does this mean? What's going on with crypto today? Are we in a bull run? Welcome back to the Blockhash Podcast channel. Let's talk crypto. Make sure to check out our Patreon. We have trading content for you Monday through Friday, market analysis. Check it out. Check out our sponsors, PIKA Crypto and BENFT. PIKA is revolutionizing the intersection of blockchain and gaming, and BENFT is revolutionizing education using artificial intelligence, AI, and DeFi strategies. All right, so the $4.2 trillion asset manager Fidelity reportedly filed for a Bitcoin Spot ETF as of today. Indeed, the block reported that the financial giant is close to submitting the necessary filing. Okay, they haven't filed yet, but they're going to file. They're close to submitting the necessary filing for the exchange-traded fund, subsequently following a similar decision taken by BlackRock last week. The report notes that the asset manager is set to join the list of issuers and could submit the filing as soon as Tuesday. Moreover, fellow asset manager giant BlackRock submitted its filing on June 15th, with Fidelity now one of the largest firms to follow suit. Another ETF getting filed. So, what does this mean? What does this mean, guys? Many have observed a Bitcoin ETF as a massive moment for the industry. I think it's been like that for years. Everyone has been trying, whether it's been Van Eck, whether it's been the Winklevoss twins and Gemini, whether it's Grayscale trying to convert into a Bitcoin ETF. This has been a big deal for a long time, and the impact on the market presents a massive institutional presence in the industry. It's kind of crazy, right? It's crazy to think about the fact that just a week ago, the SEC was cracking down on Binance and Coinbase, and everything looked horrible, and we were going to be in for a much longer, prolonged, maybe bear market type cycle. Maybe we'd trade sideways for a while. Bitcoin maybe could break down below 25,000. It did, and could stay there. And then boom, out of nowhere. Perfect timing. Everything's bottoming out, and institutions come in feeling the certainty, but also the necessity to do this. From BlackRock to Fidelity to Charles Schwab to Van Eck, you name it. I've seen a ton. I've even seen crypto exchanges put together now. Like, these guys are coming in, they're buying the bottom. They know the bottom is in. They're looking for an opportunity, and they seized it. And just like what happened in 2020, I've talked about this on a couple other episodes. Same thing happened. I believe it was Vanguard. Rothschilds bought in with their fund into Bitcoin, pretty much called bottom, and that was the bottom in mid to late 2020. And then we had that bull cycle in 2021 that lasted until 2022. And same thing is happening today. 2023, we're getting them to come in and call bottom. This is going to be incredibly bullish for Bitcoin and the rest of the market. And we're going to see tremendous upside. Now, just going over, XLM's having a great day. Bitcoin because of this type of news, has come up and hit its threshold of 31,000. It's banging on the door right now, kind of swinging back and forth, oscillating. But it's consolidating up here and looks like it's going to have a pretty big break at some point soon. It's a very strong move, very optimistic. So yeah, guys, it's almost getting tiring when I see another notification pop up. So-and-so, XYZ company files for spot Bitcoin ETF. It's like, if they were really afraid of what the SEC was doing, cracking down on this industry, they wouldn't be trying to file for one, especially a spot ETF. Something the SEC has been very critical on, is scrutinized really heavily in the history of this industry in the last 5, 6, 7 years that this has been attempted. But they feel that they can attempt to do it given how aggressive the SEC has been, and Gary Gensler. Interesting, right? Really makes you wonder if a lot of this stuff is coordinated and under the table deals are being cut. Anyways, this is good for crypto. It is good for Bitcoin. And I like to see the institutional side finally really trying to pile in and find opportunity. Bitcoin is just a start. Wait until they want to do an Ethereum ETF or a Cardano ETF, or, you know, when there's a little bit more clarity, that's when the real boom is going to happen. This is just the beginning. This is just a phase, but it is still very exciting. So that's it for today. Make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts down below on another Bitcoin Spot ETF being filed. It's getting very redundant at this point. Please subscribe to the channel if you have already. Thank you so much. You guys are the fucking shit. All right, talk to you guys tomorrow. Cheers.